can never be peace, peace. No true peace without justice. There can never be peace, peace. No real peace without truth. There can never be peace, peace. No real peace without equality. There can never be peace, peace. No true peace without love. Some are craving for justice, and every day some are praying for peace. But if love and unity cannot establish itself in men, then transparency will always be a word from a mouth but not a heart. There can never be peace, peace. No true peace without love. There can never be peace, peace. No true peace without justice. There can never be peace, peace. No real peace without truth. There can never be peace, peace. No real peace without equality. There can never be peace, peace. No true peace without love. Can someone tell me? And how do you say you care for the people when you brought division, make the people fighting every day? Inflicting pain means the sorrow every day and killing the youths. Little not afraid. And we all know there can never be peace with a gun and bite. That's what they leave us with no choice and push us to the reality of a concrete war. So don't defend. There can never be peace, peace. No true peace without justice. There can never be peace, peace. No real peace without truth. There can never be peace, peace. No real peace without equality. There can never be peace, peace. No true peace without love. We must learn to be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society. We must learn to be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society.
We must be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society. We must be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society.
We must learn to be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society. We must learn to be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society.
We must be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society. We must be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society.
We must learn to be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society. We must learn to be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society. We must learn to be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society. We must learn to be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society. We must learn to be bold enough to restore the value of the truth in our society.